Hey everybody, my name is Kenny Johnston and I am a product leader here at GitLab. I'm also going to be the moderator for the 14.1 R&D retrospective. I'm really excited. It's my first time being the moderator. So this is my summary video to get you excited and give you a summary of what we're going to be talking about in our group retrospective. It's going to be tomorrow. Let me share my screen. Okay, so 14.1 retrospective. I wanted to go over with you some summary of the praise, what went well, what went wrong, what can we do to improve, and then give you a preview of the discussion topics we're going to be having in the combined retrospective. So first, praise. Again, it's really important that we give shout outs to team members who did a great job this last release. It was cool to see shout outs kind of spanning the whole product from create, enablement, plan, verify, package, release, and fulfillment. So thank you to all the team members who both provided and received shout outs. Great work. What went well? So there's a long list of what went well linked in the retro, but some of the highlights for me were we completed the ops quality working group, which is awesome to see. Great collaboration from the database team, but those were called out by both the plan and secure teams, and great collaboration and transparency with our users. Great job to the release team for that. What went wrong? So a couple of highlights, you can read the full list, but a couple of highlights. One seemed to be a lack of capacity for reviewing CI templates. And the other one was that the fulfillment team highlighted that oftentimes there's a desire to bundle features together to make larger releases. That makes it really difficult to manage and execute and follow along with our iteration value. For how can we improve? So great to see some already suggested improvements. Geo suggested performing ad hoc retrospectives on S1 issues or epics, and the global search team is working to improve how they use issue weights to do estimation for their milestone planning. So great to see a whole host of improvements. Those are just a couple of the highlights. So I would invite you to join us on August 5th at 1600 UTC, 9 a.m. Pacific time for our live retrospective discussion. We're going to be discussing two topics. One is what I mentioned before, that the Geo team is planning to utilize ad hoc retrospectives on large issues, whether those be S1s or epics. And I wanted to walk through the process of if other teams have done that and what some best practices were. And then the other one was the testing team highlighted that their MR rate had gone down, and they suspected that that was because of scheduling too many technical investigations, and they actually added a handbook update to limit the number of technical investigations. I wanted to see if other teams had experienced the same problem and might find that lesson learned by the testing team useful. So I'm excited to talk to you all tomorrow. And if not, enjoy the retrospective. Thanks, everybody. Take care.